Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I did an effect in my Swish Swish collab. Um, you'll probably notice it when this is finished, but I'll just get right into it. So I just have a blank project, no sound or anything, just for copyright reasons. Probably using Gotham is not a good way to avoid copyright, but here we are. Okay, what you first want to do is start off by making this layer 3D and then duplicate it and that just leave it 3D for this whole project. And then we're going to make the square. Make sure this is in the middle and use this blue Z-Dis toggle and bring it up so that it is larger than the background. And that's what I was trying to say. Okay, next I'm going to add drop shadow. Kind of gonna put this over this way and maybe soften it a bit. Next I am going to add the camera. These are my settings. I don't really know what any of them mean, but they're there. Going to add a null object, make it 3D. Make sure that is in the center, and I'm going to point the camera to the null object. Next, I am going to enable this orientation thing, and I brought that up by pressing R. Gonna move this to like right here. We're just gonna move it just so you can kind of see that 3D effect. Go ahead and ease that. Let's see if it won't take forever to load. So you kind of get this cool effect. I don't know if you remember that in my Swish Swish collab. I don't like how I said that. I hate myself. Oh, okay. And since there's a bunch of black, there's an easy way to fix that. We're going to just add motion tile to it. Stylize, motion tile. I'm going to mirror the edges and just increase that so you get all that blackness gone. And if you add text, I'll just put some random text. Random text. Just be sure to, I would place it where you want it first, and then enable the 3D. And if it disappears like it did here, what you do is you just take the Z-dist and pull it up so that it is above that layer, or whatever layer you need it to be above. Let me pause this while this loads. Okay, and this is the finished result. You could do a lot of cool things with this. You could make the mask animate, so kind of goes all over, and you get this displacement effect. You could do a lot with this, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any requests, you know where to find me. And that is it. See you guys next week.